Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn Petcat is allowed upstairs on or off in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing this clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and then going to settings. Then make sure you are in the game section. Here in the game subsection, look for Petcat. Pet is allowed upstairs. You can toggle it on or off. Once you're done adjusting this, you can simply hit apply, close, and that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.